RSTi swap. Here we go. Brian waited just for me. I'm so proud. It's not on fire, we promise.
I promise it's not on fire. That would be a funny clip.
I was getting ready for it all blowing in my face.
Yeah. Just a quick PSA for all those out there that want to do this swap. Just wait. We've got to get it through California Bar first before this is something we can do. Just for now, we're going to do testing, and you can see us take some fun people for a drive.
This is why you don't put me in charge of the camera. So we're gonna go for a test drive on this blue machine.
Yep.
I don't see what the big hype is. He's got the same brakes, the same wheels, same freaking paint job. I don't understand. We're gonna give it a whirl. Ooh, he's got it in Sport Sharp.
This one goes fast.
I'm assuming it has something to do with ice skating.
Yeah.
Because it's sport and their skates are sharp.
Yeah. I'm kind of a 3/8 edge guy. Any hockey guys, you know? Power steering. Steering is still not right.
It's fine.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's fine.
No.
It's
heavy.
That's because it's an awesome car and it's meant to be heavy. Everyone knows steering race cars are heavy. Woo! Sounds way better. Yeah, buddy. I do like this car. I always have.
It's a good car.
This car feels substantially faster than the other one. Well,
STI. Which car?
Okay, the car feels substantially faster than it was before, first of all.
Yes.
Secondly, I think it's faster than your 2012 STI.
And that has an actual tune on it.
And that's tuned,
Yeah.
but this feels faster, for sure.
I would agree.
Are you Doc Brown then?
I think that makes me Doc Brown.
Yeah, this car feels, it's smooth, comfortable power.
Yes.
It's built well, it's quiet.
Yeah.
You know, it's got all the good bits. It's a solid build.
Just needs the rest of the interior.
Well, it's got most of it.
It's got double clusters. I think that makes
Radios are for non-race cars.
This is a non-race car.
No, it's a race car, bro.
Oh, what? No.
It's blue. And it's got a hood scoop.
Oh, I can't catch the Prius. It's too fast.
Oh! We should cut in that meme that's going around. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Sucker Prius! The best way to say this, and you've said this before, is that this car is OEM plus, which means it's factory, it's solid, reliable, but it's got that extra just
A little plus.
yeah, plusness.
I'm all about pluses.
Yeah. This is how the car should have been built in America,
Yes.
but we understand why.
It's alright. We can make it.
Wait, before you get in, Frank, okay, you gotta talk about how excited you are. Perfect.
Yeah. No, I'm super excited.
Yeah.
I want to see.
Because you've seen it in every iteration.
Yeah. It's come a long way since first getting off the trailer.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
All right, I want your feedback when you get back. Watch out for the second cluster down there.
Okay. That's you. That's high tech.
What'd you think, Frank?
It's great. It's exactly the way it should be.
Right?
It's perfect.
Isn't it go way faster?
Not really way faster. It just works.
Yeah, that's true. I think it goes faster than the H6 though.
It's faster than it was.
I mean, it is faster than it was. It sounds different. It's the way an Impreza should be built.
I agree.
Yeah.
Gotta get Bucky's opinion on camera here.
Oh, it's trash.
It's so pretty. Everything I like. I really like this little coolant overflow tank mount. I need one of these. Need, want, now.
You can has. You can has.
Need, now, want.
Yeah. No, it's...
So you gotta go take them for on the test track.
All this cool stuff.
Yeah, we can get you. We need to update your battery, relocate, and we'll get you like that
Yeah,
set up.
this-
But we can do that with the fuse box and the engine bay too. That one's just a little tweak because of that. But we can make it work on yours. Yeah, let's do it.
Nice.
More mods to do.
Then we'll see our.
So which one are we going off of here?
Oh, they all work, dude.
They all work?
redundancy. Redundancy is important.
Yo, I got the dual cluster, yo.
See, we're gonna
Just be popping, dog. Well, it's nice to be in a car of his that actually doesn't smell like burning oil.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, I enjoy it. And you could drive behind me.
I can drive behind you.
You could drive behind me and not get smoked out.
Okay. It moves. Way better than the H6.
Night and day, right?
Oh, night and day. Like, aren't you glad you finally put a real motor back in your car?
You're gonna get so much hate for this, but yes.
Well, let me rephrase that.
6-cylinder
Aren't you glad that you actually put something into your car worth putting in your car? Like, to make it actually perform and not just be like, hey, I got this in my car.
Well, so if the 6-cylinder, if I was gonna spend the time and money to finish it, put a turbo on it,
Yes.
do all of the things that would have been required, yeah, it would have been ridiculously fast.
Yeah, and
But the
ridiculously
simplicity-
expensive.
Yes. The simplicity to get this car to this point, relatively speaking,
It's why everyone does
this
it.
is why you do STI swap.
Exactly.
Because right now, it's plenty fast, it's stock, other than a downpipe, it doesn't even have a tune for it.
It's perfect fast.
It needs,
It's a good daily.
yeah. And if anything, throw every cob part on out of the catalog on it, and it'll make 400 horsepower like a bucket does, and absolutely rip.
Look at that smile.
Yes, there it
Look at
is.
that smile.
There it is.
Yes.
Missed that, huh?
Yes. No stress.
No.
Just all smiles.
It sounds nasty.
It's very nice. I'm so happy that you're happy. Welcome back.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. It's good to be back. Be back to the STI crew.
So stoked that Mexico is so close to your shop.
It's like right across the street.
Love this place.
Yeah, it's the best. And I can go over curbs again and it doesn't hit the exhaust.
It's true.
That's really where it's at.
No, it drives really nice. It really does. And now he's parking it next to my car to make my car look that much worse.
This car's fantastic. I love your car.
But apparently, I can't get out.
No, you go open the latch.
It's like Dukes of Hazzard.
It's Dukes of Hazzard. I haven't put the latch in yet. I'm waiting to get it from VIP.
Man, this car's a piece of shit, Brian.
Sorry. I just built junk.
God dang it. Why don't you freaking
But look, dude,
get a better car? One that the door opens.
best feature. Never had this feature on this car in the 15 years I've owned it. And it's great.
I have one of those. I need another remote though. Where'd you get that?
I got that on Amazon.
What? You
Yeah.
got it to work?
It works.
Okay, I need 2 of those.
It works. I have one. I have one with 4 buttons. I don't know if it'll work though.
I couldn't get it. I bought the Subaru one,
Yeah.
the orange button
Oh,
one. I couldn't get it to work.
I think
And then I went and found a broken one
Yeah.
that I got to work.
Yeah, I think the ID on the orange one isn't right. I will.
Okay,
We're back.
I need the Amazon code for that.
I'll get it to you.
The link.
I get it to you. Word.
Sweet.